look what just came in addressed to me. I think this is from one of our viewers. Love your video and passion. Hope you love our product. Ooh, nice hand brush. Handy wipes, kind of like baby wipes, I guess, but for really nasty hands. Soap. And a little tube of heavy duty. Well, thank you, Courtney. We'll give this a try and see how it works. Just a little bit of moisture. It's nice and thick and heavy, and you can feel the grit in it. That sure does shift the ink and stuff. I made a bad assumption along the line when I saw the hand towel there. I had assumed that it would be the same formula as they used for the hand soap and that it would have grit in it, but turns out I was wrong in my assumption, pleasantly surprised, because the towels don't contain the grit here. Kind of tricky to, come on. There, oop, there we go. And it does shift it quite well. Why not? Let's see. That's just more moisture than ink or anything else. Yep. Not bad.